the reason for shirk. Why do people stoop down to shirk? Why do they adopt lower ideals? Ma qadarullah haqqa qadri. Qadara yaqduru. This in Arabic means to make an estimate, to evaluate. Qadr, qadru qimat, qadr, value. When this is used as a verb, qadara, he evaluated, to have an estimate. Ma qadarullah haqqa qadri. They couldn't esteem Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as was the due right of His to be esteemed. What does it mean? Due to the intellectual failure, they couldn't reach that level of understanding Allah, estimating Him, having some assessment of His high position. That is why man scoops down. Let me give you an example. We have an urge. I am hungry. I have to eat. Well, if I can find some good food, I'll take that good food. But if I am very hungry and I cannot find good food, maybe I am taking very bad food, even haram, and it is permissible. If you are dying of hunger, you can take murdar, the dead, the flesh of the dead animals. You can take some pork to save yourself. So why does a man take bad food? Only because he cannot get good food. The urge is there. He has to feed himself anyhow. The urge is coming from within his own personality. He has to fulfill the urge. In the same way, the urge for an ideal, that I must love someone, I must live for someone, die for someone, I must sacrifice my belongings for someone, this urge for ideal, this is so strong in man that if he can't reach the highest ideal intellectually, comprehend it, it must satisfy the urge of ideal with some low ideal even. That is the cause why people attach themselves to the lower ideals, lower goals, lower matloob, because their intellect, their understanding couldn't take them high.